Welcome to FG Cars. We have a Ford Transit long wheelbase high roof. This is a Nottingham City Council van. We purchased direct from them. It has been fully converted into a window cleaning / cleaning vehicle. All professionally done and kitted out. Exterior 240 volt connection. Rear camera system, as you can see on the top, built in there with built-in roof beacons. Obviously you've got your warning decals on the back. The system inside is an Ioniq V4 system. As you can see, you've got untreated water in, rejected water to drain, and pure water out. So that's the filtered side. Compromising 16-inch wheels, steel wheels, passenger sliding door, rear barn style doors. Really clean example, no major damage to the vehicle, been well looked after, well maintained. Just take you into the cab of the vehicle just to show you. So inside, really nice clean example, no heavy wear as you'd expect for the mileage. Inside we have got an aftermarket fitted monitoring system, which is for the rear camera, radio, USB, AUX connections, manual heater control with 12 volt socket. It is a 6-speed. It has the Lightfoot Optimum control, so that is all related to driving styles, tells you when to shift, just to get your most optimum economy from the vehicle. Multi-function steering wheel. Mileage 17,622 currently on the clock. Will go up slightly when the vehicle goes around for preparation. That is just because the handbrake's on that light, as you can see. Headlight switches. I'll take you into the rear of the vehicle to show the Ioniq V4 system. So with the Ioniq V4 system, you have your tank at the back with the Ioniq gauges. So you've got your pressure gauge and your water levels built in, fuses, and then you've got your pump controllers. And obviously it tells you your flow rate, battery. You have a 115 amp leisure battery fitted. And then you've got the filtering system, so there's 4 filtering canisters by Ioniq. You do have the Ioniq ThermoPure Hotbox, which is actually an upgraded option. You don't get that included in the V4 system, so that's for your hot water. Draper battery charger and support unit. That's DC 12 volt 25 amp or 24 volt 12.5 amp. You have an RCD protected UK 3-pin sockets, 2 of. Up top we have the extendable poles by Ioniq. They are carbon fibre, so quite light, and they do reach out quite far. Obviously you've got your built-in brush heads with the water feed, hoses, obviously bigger hose down here, more brushes with a little pole extension there. As you can see, that's your water feeds to the outlets and the inlet to fill the tank. Just take you around to the passenger side and just show you the tank itself, plus a bit of storage space to the rear. As you can see, there's more obviously piping. It's 5mm microflex piping, another brush head. That's your tank. That is your tank level currently. You can see by this little buoy in there. All Ioniq. The floor and sides have all been resin coated in a textured resin. Obviously stopped any water getting where it shouldn't get. All really professionally finished. It's a ready to go business really, so whoever's buying this either will have an addition to their fleet of obviously window cleaning / cleaning vehicles, or if you're looking for a startup, this is ready to rock and roll and start your business. Thank you for watching the video, and we hope you come and see the vehicle at FG Cars.